Are you interested in using text-to-speech software but don't know where to start? Then look no further than Elevenlabs. In this video, we'll go over 5 simple ways for beginners to get started with Elevenlabs text-to-speech software. The first step to getting started with Elevenlabs is to download and install the software. Visit our website to download the software. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once you have the software installed, you need to choose a voice. Elevenlabs offers a variety of voice options, including male and female voices in different languages. Select the voice that best fits your needs. To create your first text-to-speech file, simply open the Elevenlabs software and type or paste your desired text into the text box. Select the voice you want your text to be read in and press the Create button. Your new text-to-speech file will be generated. Once you have your text-to-speech file generated, you can customize it with different audio options. You can adjust the pitch, speed, and volume of the voice. You can also add background music and sound effects. Using Elevenlabs text-to-speech software is a simple and easy way to turn text into audio. With these 5 tips for beginners, you'll be creating high-quality audio files in no time.